Do you know you can protect your assets and your family members by leaving money to them in trusts instead of outright? Hi, my name is Daniel Timins. I'm a trust and estates and elder law attorney and a certified financial planner. When you leave money outright to people who are conceivably getting divorced, have spendthrift and creditor issues, may be minors, or may have other issues regarding Medicaid, you are putting them in a position where you could jeopardize your money or jeopardize their benefits. For example, that person who might be getting divorced at some point in the future, by leaving money in trust, you can avoid leaving money to your future ex-daughter-in-law. I told you she was no good. For someone who's a substance abuse user, you most likely don't want to leave money outright to them. You would rather want to leave money to a trust so that they don't have cash in pocket, but their needs are still being met. Someone who has a creditor issue, same thing. You probably don't want Visa card getting your money. However, what can happen is that instead, the trustee can negotiate with that creditor to avoid having to pay all of that money. And last but not least, but perhaps worse, is if you leave money to a minor outright, the court will provide that an attorney will be appointed for that individual. This person tends to be the judge's golf buddy or some campaign contributor who also happens to be attorney. That attorney will oversee the funds, and then when the beneficiary turns 18, they'll receive all the money outright, and they'll effectively buy the fraternity. This is probably not a good idea. No, no, and no. The better thing to do is to leave this money to a trust. A trustee's job is to make sure that people who are beneficiaries who are minors, may have creditor issues, or may conceivably be getting divorced, are instead given the money gradually so that the money doesn't go to undesirable individuals. This way you can ensure that the money you want to leave to people actually gets to those people. My name is Daniel Timins, and I want to remind you that where there's a way, there's a will.